Today we'll be installing the Co-Pilot Cruiser Kid seat. Inside your box you should receive a base plate, the seat, 2 bars, this one goes on the rear and the front, the back pad that attaches to the rear bar, the foot pegs, and all your nuts and bolts. So the tools required for this job is a 10mm spanner, 5mm Allen key, and a Phillips head. First step is we'll be removing these 6 screws out of the seat. Now we're going to prepare the base plate. So in each of these 4 corners we're going to install a screw. Don't worry about the rest of these holes, we won't need them. So the 4 screws you'll be looking for are these ones here. Next up we're going to mount the mounting plate to the seat. In your kit you should have received longer screws that came out of the seat. The 2 middle ones here are a finer thread, so they go in the middle. Then the 4 outside ones are more like a timber screw. So they will go around on each 4 corners here, just to get it all central. And then we'll fully tighten it all down. Now your mounting plate and seat should look like this together. Next up, we're going to mount the seat to the bike. To mount the seat to the bike, you'll need the 4 nuts and 4 washers. Underneath, we'll be installing the washer first and then the nut. We'll do this in all 4 corners. With your 10mm spanner, just do the nuts up tight. Next up, we're going to install the front and rear bars. To install the front bar, you'll need your 5mm Allen key, your 2 Allen key screws, and your 2 washers. When installing your front bar, you want to have the holes facing forward, and you want to use your front holes on the rack here. Making sure your holes are in front, and you only have 1 set of holes on the rear here. Next we'll be installing the rear pad on the back bar. It's very simple, all it does is click on. You can click the top 2 on first and then just the bottom 2 just like that. And that's how you install the Co-Pilot Cruiser Kid Seat Kit. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.